Through the long years of use that your BESSEY clamps will give you, it is likely that some of the protective pads on the jaws will be lost or damaged. These pads are designed to be easily replaced without tools. You only need to snap new ones in place. The retailer where you purchased your clamp will often be the best place to get replacement parts, especially if the pads are missing when the clamp was bought. If your retailer does not carry them, many online sources stock BESSEY replacement parts. And you can always reach out to us directly at info@besseytools.com with the part number of the clamp and a photo if possible. Many parts that are not permanently attached to the bar can be replaced, so you can keep your clamps in top shape. Several families of BESSEY clamps are designed to be able to remove or replace the handle should it become necessary. The cup on the swivel pad has an internal retainer ring that holds it in place on the ball end of the spindle. To remove this swivel pad, retract the spindle until the swivel pad is against the arm. Continue to turn the handle until the swivel pops off the spindle ball. The handle spindle assembly can now be removed and replaced if needed. To remount the swivel pad, the spindle is reinserted through the clamp arm with a few threads showing. Place the swivel pad on the spindle ball and set it up to the fixed head. Then tap the handle with a mallet to seat the ball in the swivel pad socket. The secret to preventing accidental pad removal is to always leave thread showing above the clamp arm. Finally, always keep in mind that if you do need to replace a wooden-handled spindle, you can always upgrade it to the molded 2K handle that fits your clamp.